Welcome back, it's been a while. If you're new here, my name is Luke and I'm documenting my startup journey on this channel. Right now I'm building a startup called Beeeper, which is startup meant for... It doesn't matter, I will show you what it does later. I'm doing this for a while now. If you didn't see my previous videos, just a quick update. I've been building this thing since January 1st. So it's already taking a while. It was meant to take like 30 days. I was heavily wrong about that. And right now I focused on coding, that's why it took a while and I didn't upload any videos. So where we were before is I worked on the admin panel, the panel for my customers, the paying customers, where they can configure and set up everything. And then I moved to making the mobile companion app for my clients' employees, so they can basically run the whole business. I'm trying to figure out the new description of this product because I think the value is there, but I'm not able to pitch it correctly. So yeah, the admin panel, the companion app and the API is being worked on. That's where we were before. Right now we are basically in the same position with those three components, but they evolved a lot. I added so much to the business value of the product that it's harder to talk about the features, like to the camera. I would rather show how it works, and I will try to do that maybe in a minute or so. Now let's go with the plan. I want to title this video making a mobile app for my startup because basically that's what tied everything together. I think most of the app functionality wise is finished. I have some things to do because I did everything in English, and right now I need to translate it to the Polish language because this is then another step. If I want to market it, I need to do it locally. So I need to make it here in Poland. That's the advice I got from much smarter people than me on one of the Twitter spaces I've been. Translations is something I think is necessary in order to finish that. So the other thing when it comes to the plan is I need to connect with the SMS provider because right now I'm relying on Firebase notifications, which are free by the way, but that's not the case when it comes to SMS providers. As I talked about in previous videos, Apple, this little guy, does not support Firebase notifications. They have that in future releases of Safari Desktop, but it's not planned in iOS, so I need to get around that. For now, I made this like, if you have an iOS device, or you have any device that does not support Firebase notifications, I basically need to ask people for their phone numbers. And this is where the connection to the SMS provider is so crucial, because without it, I won't be able to deliver messages for clients that use iOS, which is kind of a bummer. Also, the SMS notifications are pricey. It's still something I need to invest beside my time to make this whole startup work. I'll do it. Yeah. That's the plan. So without further ado, let's jump to the demo. I will change the location. Maybe the microphone quality will be a little bit worse, but I think it will be worth it. So, see you on the other side. This is the example situation. Klaus is sitting at the table and he's ready to order. While he waits, he sees that the Beeeper instruction is on the table with a QR code, and he decides to give it a shot. I mean, yeah, why not? He opened his built-in camera and points that on QR code. By doing so, he's redirected to the app where he sees three buttons. He taps on one of them, and by doing so, he notifies the waiter that he's decided what he wants to order. Hello, welcome to Urban Kitchen.
What can you get me, young boy?
We have a great tomato pasta.
Sounds nice.
Okay, so one pasta. Do you want me to generate your QR code to keep track of your order?
I can do that.
Yes, you can.
Okay.
The only thing left to do is to open Companion app and just generate the QR code for the customer, which consists of the number and short description. Here you go. Client then scans it, and in this case, because he's using iOS, he needs to put his phone number. And yeah, that's it.
Technology.
Okay, so that's how application works. So I hope you get something from it. It means basically that the worker, the employee, is generating some QR codes, client is receiving them, if he wants, of course, or there's this information lying on a table for the customer to ping the waiter responsible for this particular table to come. Basically that's all. And I think it's almost ready. And this week the whole mobile app actually brought everything together, and I'm very, very happy how it turns out. That's all I have time for today. Make sure to like and subscribe to see the future updates of Beeeper. And also make sure to check out the description below. I'm placing there some cool stuff. I'm trying to launch a newsletter which will contain everything I do during the week. Basically the dev stories. So that's it. That's all I have time for today. So thank you for watching. It's been a pleasure, and see you in the next video. Bye.